We're going to now start discussing ways in which to master the mind. Imagine how grand that would be if we could master the mind. This mind of ours, sometimes we just say, this is the way I am. I've lived with my own mind. It's like when you get up in the morning, you are thinking to yourself, you could almost say to yourself, good morning, and the voice that lives inside your head replies, good morning back. What I mean to say is that we are so familiar with our own individual minds that we've got to a point, I think, where we feel this is the way I am. How can I change? Sometimes I'm a nice person or a grumpy person or this or that, but this is me. But we have to do so much better than that. Not to impress anybody else. Oh no. We have to be better than that for our own individual benefit.